All right, KB, take a seat. Welcome back to the lab. Last time, we played the pointing game with just one person, single targets. Je, tu, il, elle. Simple physics. One arrow, one target. But life isn't just about individuals, is it? It's about crowds, groups. Complexity increases. Now, we need to point at clusters of people. We are moving from the singular to the plural. Let's look at the data. We have 4 new tools to pick up. First up, imagine drawing a circle around yourself and everyone standing next to you. That is nous. That is N-O-U-S. You don't pronounce the S, just nous. Nous simply means we. If you and I are studying French together, nous are studying. Simple enough? Now, here is the tricky one. This is where French tries to be fancy. The word is vous. KB, listen closely. Vous operates in 2 different dimensions. Dimension 1, it is the plural you. Imagine you are on a stage, talking to a whole audience. You point at all of them, you say, vous, are listening. In English, we might say, you guys, or y'all. In French, it is vous. Dimension 2. It is the polite shield. Remember tu? Tu is for your buddy. If you are talking to the president, or your boss, or a stranger on the street, you do not use tu. That's too close. You use vous. Even if it's just one person, it creates a polite distance. So, vous is for groups or formal situations. Now, look over there, a group of other people, the they. In English, they covers everyone. In French, no. We have to check the gender again. If you see a group of women, only women, 100% women, you use elles. It sounds exactly like the singular elles, but we spell it with an S, E-L-L-E-S. But what about the guys? A group of men is ils, I-L-S. Now, KB, here is the rule that drives people crazy. It's not fair, but it's the rule. Imagine a stadium filled with 10,000 women. That is elles. Now imagine one man walks into that stadium, just one guy. Suddenly, the whole grammatical group becomes ils. I know, it makes no sense. But grammatically, the masculine form is the default for mixed groups. So, ils is a group of men or a mixed group of men and women. Elles is strictly a group of women. So, let's look at the board. Here is your clear structure for plurals. Nous, which is we, vous, which is you, ils, which is they, men or mixed group, and elles, which is they, women only. Got it? We have singulars on the left, plurals on the right. Next, we are going to actually do something with these pronouns. We are going to become super beings. I'll see you in the next module.